Present continuous tense. Use actions happening right now. Temporary actions. Planned actions in the near future. Present continuous tense formula and structures. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences. Interrogative sentences, interrogative plus negative sentences. Affirmative sentences, formula and structures. Subject plus is am are plus verb plus ing form. Examples: I am studying English. She is reading a book. They are playing cricket. Negative sentences, formula and structures. Subject plus is am are plus not plus verb ing form. Examples: I am not watching TV. He is not sleeping. We are not going. Interrogative sentences, formula and structures is am are plus subject plus verb plus ing form. Examples: Are you listening to me? Is she working today? Am I speaking clearly? Interrogative plus negative, formula and structures is am are plus subject plus not plus verb plus ing form. Examples: Are you not studying now? Is he not coming?